When I do observations, if I have a kid in my classroom who's just struggling and I can't figure out what's going on with this kid, if I'm going to do a profile model on them, I want to make sure I get a chance to kind of see them in other areas. All right. I want to see what they're doing at recess and snapshots. All right. Not like 20, 30-minute observations. You and I both know, especially if you're in special ed and you've had to do these observations, you can sit in a classroom for 30 minutes and it can be the best 30 minutes of that kid's day. And that happens to me all the time. People say, Polly, you were here and the kid didn't do anything. So you want to get those little snapshots, recess, cafeteria, hallways, classrooms, because we know that environment, folks, plays a huge part in people's behavior. Environment plays a huge part, which is why when we talk about culture and climate, I always ask this question: when you walk into your school, is it a place that inspires you? Or does it kind of look like a school? All right, because that does shift people's behavior. Right, so always remember, see kids in different environments if you possibly can. Change classrooms. Go see them in art if you can, and see what's going on. Or music, or another classroom that's out of the classroom you normally would be in with the child.